This goes out to the most beautiful girl that I saw just the other day. She had me slipping and she had me falling for her right away. This goes out to the one and only Miss Mysterious. The thought of being next to her's got me so delirious. Yeah, is she out there? Is she out there? To know your name, girl, I just need to know your name. Before I saw your face, I'd never in my wildest dreams thought that true love was actually real. Cause you shine way brighter than anything I might have ever thought that I could feel. I give it all, everything I have, even though it's all so new. Cause I want you in the worst of ways. Can you make my wish come true? To know your name, girl, I just need to know your name. Hey, 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 need to know you, need to know your name. Hey, 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 I need to. 'Cause you're all